I don't think any of us really knew what the US government wanted. It seemed at points like they wanted to make the stock market crash. It seemed at points like they wanted to crash the global economy. And it was crazy. The markets were crazy, stock markets collapsed. And to be honest, you know what, again, what you see here again is another kind of legitimate problem recognized, but addressed in a mad way, which is, I think you do, and I speak about this a lot, I think you do want assets like housing, like stocks, to be cheaper for ordinary people. I think you want wages, you want assets to be cheaper relative to wages, but the way to do that, the sensible way to do that, is to change your distribution and drive wages up over time. I don't think anybody wants to make Nike go bankrupt. I don't think anybody wants to destroy the pensions of pensioners. But last week we didn't know for sure whether that was what the government wanted, what the US government wanted. And markets were freaking out, stock markets were collapsing, a lot of rich people were buying. I was buying, kind of on a reflex, to be honest, more than anything else. Trump seemed happy with that. Trump seemed happy with the markets collapsing. On Monday, there was a rumor from some random dickhead called Financial Juice. I shouldn't say that, he might be a nice guy. From a random guy called Financial Juice, said that they're going to pause the tariffs. Stock markets jumped up immediately. The White House immediately denied it. Stock markets jumped like up and down like 10% in about 15 minutes. The White House denied it. They said, we're not going to do any pauses. To be honest, I thought there's no way, at the very least, the attacks on Southeast Asia and the poorest countries in the world are totally not in the interest of anyone. I thought they had to turn back on that, but they were adamant they were not going to turn back on that. And then we had, I think it was Tuesday evening, we started to see government bonds sell off, especially in the US.